Welcome to Xpertifi newsletter. We will be discussing current banking news to keep you updated and informed. Let's dive into the news from last week. Finance Ministry bats for enhanced KYC due diligence. To prevent scams like the BOB World app fraud, the Finance Ministry suggests that banks and financial institutions should be more careful when bringing new merchants on board. They want stricter checks and more careful investigation to ensure that merchants are trustworthy and won't put customers at risk of cyber fraud. This is especially important for merchants and banking agents operating in rural areas. It's not just about preventing scams, but also making sure the financial system is strong and secure. Senior citizen term deposits accounts double in 5 years. Over the past 5 years, the portion of term deposits made by senior citizens has doubled, reaching 30% in FY24. The total amount deposited is estimated to be 7.4 crore accounts, which collectively held Rs 34 lakh crore in FY24 compared to Rs 14 lakh crore in FY18. This indicates an 81% increase in the number of accounts and a 150% increase in the total amount deposited over 6 years. Additionally, the government has increased the threshold for tax deduction at source (TDS) on deposits to further encourage elderly individuals to invest in term deposit. Credit demand and low liquidity boosts deposit rates. Despite the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) keeping interest rates the same since February 2023, banks increased their deposit rates by an average of 96 basis points. This move was made by lenders to attract more deposits as there was a continuous demand for loans, but the availability of funds in the banking system is shrinking. Banks considering iris scans for verifying transactions. Indian commercial banks are considering using iris scans to verify transactions, especially to help elderly customers. This idea was discussed in a meeting last month, and it was decided to talk to the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) for more details on how to implement it and what challenges might arise. Currently, Aadhaar-enabled payment systems (AEPS) allow online financial transactions at point of sale POS or micro ATMs using Aadhaar authentication, which includes both fingerprints and iris scans. Recent analysis by the Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center I4C found that AEPS frauds made up 11% of all cyber financial scams in 2023. Before we say goodbye for now, let's see how the various indices performed last week. Xpertifi has launched a banking course that guarantees interviews with banks within 6 months of completing the course. So make sure to register yourself and inform your friends and family as well. Follow Xpertifi for banking jobs and news on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn. See you next week with more news. Till then, take care.